Ketoprak, tofu.
Привет, как дела? Надеюсь, у вас все отлично.
Nah, itu artinya halo semua, apa kabar? Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, hari ini saya dan Julie dari Rusia mau coba ketoprak. Soalnya kita kan model di Indonesia dan kata banyak model di sini susah cari makanan sehat di Indonesia. Saya mau proof mereka kalau kata itu salah. Kalau pengen lihat bagaimana kita makan dan reaksinya Julie makan ketoprak harus nonton ya. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini jangan lupa subscribe dan loncengnya juga ya.
Abula's Adventure.
Nah, jadi sekali lagi ini teman saya dari Rusia namanya Julie. Dia model di Indonesia selama 3 bulan ini. Julie, what's your Instagram?
Julie Moon follow.
Jangan lupa follow ya, kita taruh linknya di bawah. Oke, jadi Julie beberapa minggu lalu tanya saya, gimana sih saya bisa makan apa aja sih yang sehat dan juga lumayan affordable di Indonesia, jadi nggak terlalu mahal ya kalau makanan di sini. Karena kalau mau makan makanan bule banget di Indonesia lumayan mahal ya. Jadi saya mau introduce Julie hari ini ke ketoprak. Okay, Julie. So you were asking me, right, like what you can eat, like that's healthy, karena kan kita model jadi harus tetap in shape walaupun kita di rumah ya, even though with corona and not working, so we need to find a way to stay in shape too,
Yes,
right?
to keep shape.
Not
Work out a lot.
Jadi kita nggak terlalu suka itu working out atau gym atau gitu, dan jadi kita harus jaga makanan sehat, bukan cuma buat shape tapi buat imun juga. So it's not only important eating healthy for the keeping in shape but also for the immune system.
Yeah, especially
Okay.
with corona.
So here we have, you know what is this?
It's some chips from fish.
Yes, the name is krupuk. Krupuk. It's very yummy, it's addictive. Jadi ini kalau udah mulai makan kerupuknya nggak bisa berhenti. It's really addictive. Okay, and here the name is ketoprak. We have here the ketoprak, the peanut sauce. Do you like peanuts?
Yeah.
You like it, yeah? Here we have rice. How is this called from rice? Aku lupa namanya ini nasinya apa, tapi enak sekali. We have tofu. Jadi ada ketoprak, ada tofu, ada nasi yang nama aku lupa. And here are noodles or mie. You wanna try?
For sure.
I want to try too. So it's a big portion, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's full of healthy things. And also very important, I think, because it's so hot outside, no meat, right? Jadi karena panas banget di luar sekarang juga, nggak terlalu doyan daging ya, jadi paling gampang makan begini-begini aja. So this is an Indonesian salad. Let's try. For me, I know the taste, I like it so much. You start wherever you want from. Good? Gimana suka?
Peanut sauce.
Mak legender.
Peanut sauce. Tofu, this is the ketoprak. And you can combine it with kerupuk.
But you do this separately. You don't need to put it here.
No, you can just take it like bread, you know?
But it's very good.
And this,
Peanut
try also with this, it makes it even better. This is the calories in this salad. Ya kan kalorinya dapat dari kerupuk karena kan deep fried kerupuk ini. Jadi tetap makan salad tapi harus ada ini kalorinya juga. Like it, so good, huh? Kerupuknya jauh lebih enak dari ketoprak. Tapi model ini harus tetap in shape. We need to stay in shape, guys. Really good.
But it's low of calories.
So low. You only have carbo from the noodles, and from the rice too. But it's very healthy, like.
But rice is weird. I was thinking it's potato.
It's some kind of like sticky rice that people here usually eat on lebaran, right? Right or no? I think so. Kameramennya nggak ada reaksinya jadi aku bingung. Tofu. And tofu is very nice. You want to take also peanut? You know, when I first arrived in Indonesia, I didn't really like it because I like the peanut separate, like peanut not mixed with food, you know. But now I got used to it and I can eat it like every day. Jadi aku cerita ke Julie kalau saya baru pertama datang di Indonesia, aku nggak terlalu suka soalnya saus kacang ini saya suka tapi enggak kalau dicampur pakai makanan gitu. So I like it just like peanuts as peanuts, makanan. But now sekarang saya suka, udah terbiasa.
Peanut is more sweet. But together it's also very, very good.
You can see that I'm hungry.
Me too.
I cannot see your hunger, like. Kata Julie dia lapar juga, tapi makannya kayak tuh, pelan-pelan aja. It's yummy.
Very good. We don't have nothing similar in Russia.
Bener. Aku kurang ajar banget. Jadi seperti Julie bilang tadi, di Rusia nggak ada makanan yang mirip ketoprak, dan di Rumania juga pasti nggak ada. Soalnya dapur masakan Rusia sama masakan Rumania sangat mirip. Jadi kita nggak punya begini. So I was telling them that like Russian and Romanian food are pretty similar, and we don't have nothing like this back home, right?
Yeah.
I really love the tofu. This one. Yeah, so the healthiest one is this thing, the ketoprak, the fasole thing. Kalau ketoprak bahasa Indonesia apa ya? Aku harus translate itu. Very nice.
Very good.
Bosan belum nonton kita makan? Well, this kerupuk is really nice.
But Indonesians think like it so much, they put it everywhere. These
Iya,
chips.
chips ya, kita kalau panggil kerupuk ini chips. Tapi sebenarnya ya mirip chips juga sih. Oh, and you know what? We can make another content. I show you how to make kerupuk. Because it's so cute, you know, like before you fry them, it's something so small. You put them in oil, in hot oil, and they become boom. Like so big like this. Jadi mungkin kita bisa bikin salah satu konten yang kita bikin kerupuk juga. Soalnya ini Julie belum tahu bagaimana bikin kerupuknya dan jadinya besar langsung boom. Itu sampai sekarang saya masih suka banget lihat bagaimana kerupuknya jadi empuk begini. Yeah, so besides this, it's also another like salad. It's called gado-gado, but there is no gado-gado when we want to buy it. So we just make this one. We just buy this one, the ketoprak. And but you need to try also the gado-gado. It's even healthier than this. Like
Which is
less.
different.
You have more in there, like more veggies. You have more, like you have egg too. So you get protein also, you know, protein now you have only from tofu.
Yeah.
Now you get much, like I think you get much more carbo from this one. Jadi ini ketoprak kayaknya ada lebih banyak karbo daripada gado-gado. Jadi Julie belum pernah coba juga gado-gado. Nanti siapa tahu kita bisa bikin konten tentang gado-gado juga. Coba
like it.
Pasti yang paling favorit ada kerupuknya. Nah ternyata tuh mau habis juga. So was nice ya, we almost finish it. Tapi kerupuknya tetap paling enak. So what is the best from ketoprak is the kerupuk ya?
Yeah, they
Agree,
have
right?
to put more.
Nanti harus minta lagi dari tukang yang jual ketoprak, tambahin lebih banyak kata Julie kerupuknya. Very nice. And this is so cheap. Like, it's super affordable, super yummy, very nice. This is Bayo's favorite. He's always having it for breakfast.
For breakfast.
Jadi ini favoritnya Bayu, selalu dia makan ini buat sarapan.
But I think you can get very full from this.
And it's also like, but you're also getting hungry fast after.
Really?
Jadi kata Julie cepet kenyang tapi juga cepet lapar ya, karena sesehat itu. Jadi it's walaupun bikin kenyang, enggak heavy ya, like you're not heavy even though you're full, right? It's the good kind of full. Udah deh habis juga. Amazing ya?
Very good. Finish. You take mine.
Sorry. Kalian itu, you finish it. Nanti aku rebutan kerupuk deh. We eat each other's kerupuk. Finish it.
No problem.
No problem, katanya habisin. Enak sekali. So, what's the conclusion about ketoprak?
Very good. Very good.
Somebody
Very fermented.
Julie approved again. Tang, 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 tang.
And I'm really full.
You're really full,
I'm
yeah?
really full, but I don't feel that it's some bad food as you eat fast food or something like this.
Exactly.
Vegetables, carbo, and also protein. Well,
Jadi komplit menunya ya buat saat pandemi ini yang kita tetap harus in shape. Oke, jadi kayaknya udah dulu ya. So we are done ya for today.
yeah.
Jangan lupa sekali lagi follow Instagram Julie
Moore.
yang kita taruh di sini ya. Dan juga guys jangan lupa follow Instagram saya Mbak Tina Bule Official ya. Oke, kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe, like dan
Comment.
dan loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye.